Gimme 2 Minutes. I'm Oliver Pembell and I'm going to talk to you about writing a lab report. A scientific lab report is structured around 4 main sections: introduction, method, results, and conclusions. Using these 4 headings, you must tell a story of the experiment. What are your objectives? Can you describe the procedure? What did you observe? What do these observations mean? The introduction contains the theory behind the experiment and what your objectives are. Usually, a little extra research is needed to show that you understand the topic. Do not feel compelled to fill in all the space given to you. The best writing is that which makes sense in the fewest words. The method section contains the procedure, which should be written in the past tense. In science, we try to use language that is impersonal and objective, so avoid using personal pronouns like I or we. The results section can be made up of data or observations that you noticed throughout the experiment. Make a note of everything that happened, no matter how seemingly unrelated. It could be important when making conclusions later. Finally, the conclusions give an explanation to the results. Ask yourself, did you fill out all the objectives? Tick them off as you explain the results to make sure that they are all covered. The key to scientific writing is clarity. A word or idea must reach the audience with the same meaning it had when it left the sender. Let's recap. The introduction contains the background theory and objectives. This is your chance to show that you truly understand the topic by including some extra information you have researched. The method is written in the past tense and should not contain words like I or we. Record every detail in the results so you can make better conclusions. And finally, explain your results with the main objectives in mind. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to watch more videos and visit our website for more information.